fucking windshield. Who the fuck is gonna?
Well, what's my name? I don't. Where the fuck are you, Brady? Do you like? I'm in Vista.
This is Brittany, right?
Who the fuck is this?
The guy's car you fucking hit. Don't play fucking stupid. I know you remember it. You hit the fucking car. How can you forget that?
I never hit nobody's fucking car. Who the fuck are you?
Then how the fuck did your number and name end up on my windshield if you didn't hit my fucking car?
I'm in Vista. Where the fuck are you from, dude?
In fucking Vista. Are you fucking stupid? Can you not hear me? You hit
I can fucking hear you, but
who the fuck?
Well, I don't know what the fuck your car is, buddy. I didn't know. Okay, what kind of car do you? A Mercedes?
It's at least a $3,000 taillight. Who the fuck is gonna pay for
One, I don't give a fuck. Okay, what's my last name, buddy? Because I didn't fucking hit your car. I'm not even driving. You're tripping.
How the fuck would I know your last name? You wrote Brittany and a phone number and stuck it on my windshield. Come on.
Brittany what?
Do I look like a fucking mind reader to you or something?
I don't fucking know who the fuck you are, what the fuck you look like, so who the fuck are you to accuse me of hitting your fucking car?
I'm the guy with a smashed.
Are you fucking retarded?
Name. You seem to be the retarded one.
Okay, well, what's my fucking license plate number? Go fuck yourself, buddy. I never fucking hit your car. Last time I checked, I've been in a parking lot for fucking 5 hours.
I mean,
same fucking parking lot in Oceanside.
Then left your number.
Okay, well, where are you located, buddy? Listen to this bullshit. This fucker is accusing me of hitting his car. He drives a Mercedes?
A 1972 Mercedes. What the fuck? You know you remember it. You hit the motherfucker.
I think you're retarded.
Somebody fucking with you.
Derek, is this Derek?
Is somebody fucking with you?
Who the fuck is Derek?
Is it?
It sounds like Derek.
They would know your last
Maybe I
name.
am Derek, huh?
Is this Derek?
Just call me Derek. Call me Derek, cunt. I don't even know. I got lost.
That was fucking awesome. You aren't bad. What the fuck?